Hi my wrestlers. In this video I'm going to be reviewing SlimFast. I mean, I don't want to achieve a skinny body because that's not the kind of thing I want. Not a skinny person, because I don't see what you achieve from being skinny people, and I hate that that is their goal, to be skinny, because you should be a healthy person inside and out. I chose this one because it says it's high in protein as well, what is always good for muscle building. And when I say muscle building, I don't mean I want to be a muscle builder. I personally find it sexier when women have a bit of tone and muscle going on. I'm a very good believer on if you can inspire yourself, you can inspire others. Yeah, so it's got high protein in it as well, and this one's banana flavour. It says on here, it's simple, easy to stick to, scientifically proven to work, enjoy great tasting shakes, meal replacement. So when you're using this, obviously it goes without saying, but some people don't. I would not just have this on its own. I would eat my normal meals. I try and keep healthy, but I mean, come off it, I still eat anything I want to eat, to be honest. I still eat crisps and all that kind of stuff, because I feel you should just eat what you want. Just eat it in, don't eat it all the time, just eat it in proportions. Otherwise you're going to crave it. I have really bad cravings for certain things. So yeah. It says to prepare the milkshake, take 250 of cold skimmed milk. Add 2 level scoops of powder into the milk. Scoop is in the can. Cover and shake well for approximately 20 seconds. For best results, use blender and ice. Okay, so what I'm going to do is use this thing. So I use for my blending up smoothies and stuff. Oh, it's got a top. I haven't got any skimmed milk, so what I'm going to do is use water. So I've got my water. Obviously I probably would do it a bit higher, but it's just to show. Put it on here so it's easy. Then you would open it up. Ooh, and it's got a little pull thing that you pull open. And then it comes with a scoop as well. You could use a knife to make it exact measurements. Then you've got a scoop. It smells really nice. It smells like actual proper milkshake. So then what I do is put it on top. So it's 2 scoops. And you put it back in there, put the lid back on. There you go. It's really simple. So you've got that. Then you can see it's powdery on top. Make sure it's really tight. Otherwise it will go everywhere. What I have once done when I was making a smoothie, I forgot to put the lid on. I went like that and it went everywhere. Well, it was great fun. So then you just shake it up. You make sure there's no lumps in it and stuff. To be honest, it's quite a good powder form, so it doesn't really get any lumps. As you can see, it looks like an actual milkshake would look. It's not really thick, but that doesn't really bother me. Like I say, it says you're meant to use skimmed milk, but you probably could use coconut milk as well. That would be quite nice. Almond milk would be nice as well with it. They say skimmed milk because obviously that's low fat, but like I say, I haven't got any skimmed milk, so I just use water. It does smell really good. Yeah, it smells really banana-y. Well, I say banana, it sounds like milkshake banana, obviously, because yeah, it's normally a bit sweeter, isn't it, than actual banana smells. I mean, the colour just looks like it just looks like how when you'd actually make a banana milkshake, to be honest. A bit more watery, but it does taste really good. tastes good. I mean, I could quite easily drink this, it's not hard to drink at all. I mean, I would drink one of these just before I'm going to do a workout or something, because like I say, it's got protein in it, so it helps the body get back the energy from when you work out or just after a workout. So it restores with energy basically a lot quicker, because your body does that anyway naturally, but it seems to help, what I found anyway, with restoring your body so you don't feel so tired after you've done a workout, or you can see the achievements quicker, I feel. Obviously it depends what kind of workout you're doing. I do quite a lot of sit-ups and some press-ups and lunges and stuff like that, so because that's the main areas I kind of want to tone up. So my legs and my bum and my tummy, a bit of my muscle, my arms, but I don't want to have really muscly arms because I know I gain muscle there quite quickly, but it's just more so it's in tone. Anyway, back to this. Overall, I would say it's really yummy and really worth getting. Like I say, do it healthily though, have meals and stuff, not just drink this, because I don't see how that would work, because you're literally just drinking powder, and I don't think that's very good for your body at all. I've only just started using it, so I don't know what it's going to do later on, if it's going to look more toned, but I started using it on about 4 days ago, just having it to replace one or a snack sometimes, but normally one meal, and I have noticed some of the difference already around my tummy area, so that's really cool. It just looks more toned. I mean, that's on top of doing exercises as well, but yeah, so overall I'd say it's really cool, it's really yummy. Well, I was quite surprised with, because I thought it was going to taste like, you're never too sure are you with these things, I thought it's going to just taste a bit yucky. It says source of fibre as well, 23 minerals and vitamins, and it says 230 calories, so that's probably, don't know if that's per thing. No added sugar. Put any comments in the box below about this product. Like I say, I'm using it as a healthy kind of protein thing rather than a slimming kind of stuff, what some of you guys might be doing. And stay healthy, and remember, always believe in yourself and always love yourself, and see you guys later.